If you're serious about capturing life's best moments, whether it's stunning landscapes, cinematic video, or just everyday memories, Sony cameras are some of the most advanced and reliable tools you can get your hands on. From compact vlogging cameras to powerful full-frame mirrorless models, Sony has built a reputation for combining cutting-edge technology with incredible image quality. So whether you're a beginner, a content creator, or a professional photographer, you'll find the perfect match for your needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the full list, and make sure to check the links in the description. They'll take you straight to the latest deals and discounts on every Sony camera we'll cover today. First up, the Sony Alpha A7R V, often nicknamed the Budget Beast. And honestly, it earns that title. This camera shows just how much power you can get in an entry-level full-frame body without breaking the bank. It's built around a 24-megapixel backside illuminated sensor, which means amazing low-light performance and excellent dynamic range. You'll get clean, detailed shots up to ISO 6400, and thanks to 5-axis in-body stabilization, handheld shooting feels smooth and steady. For action, the A7R V delivers 10 frames per second with full autofocus tracking, plus 693 AF points covering 93% of the frame. In short, whatever you're shooting, it's staying in focus. Video shooters, this one's for you. You get full-width 4K HDR recording, S-Log2, S-Log3, and hybrid log gamma for pro-level color grading, and even slow motion in 1080p. Sony didn't skip on usability either. There's a tilting LCD screen, a new focus joystick, customizable menus, and dual SD card slots for extra storage. Battery life, up to 710 shots per charge, one of the best in its class. And with USB-C, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and HDMI, you're covered on the connectivity front too. Sure, the menus are a bit complicated and there's no built-in flash, but for its price, the Sony Alpha A7R V is hands down one of the best hybrid cameras on the market and easily the best bang for your buck. Second, meet the Sony ZV-1 II, the vlogger's dream. The Sony ZV-1 II is designed with content creators and vloggers in mind, building on the huge success of the original ZV-1. If you're looking for a camera that's portable, beginner-friendly, yet capable of delivering high-quality results, this model is an excellent choice. One of the most notable upgrades is the new 18 to 50mm ultra-wide lens, which makes a world of difference for vlogging and group shots. It allows you to fit more into the frame, perfect for landscapes, travel content, or shooting with friends. Compared to the original ZV-1, this added flexibility is a big win for creators. The lens also features a bright f1.8 to 4.0 aperture, giving you beautiful background blur and smooth depth of field effects. On top of that, Sony has included cinematic vlog settings, letting you apply creative looks like classic, fresh, or mono to instantly elevate your videos with a professional touch. Inside, the ZV-1 II keeps the 20.1 megapixel 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor and Bion's X processor from its predecessor, which is more than capable of handling 4K video at 30 frames per second, plenty for YouTube and social media content. Autofocus has also been upgraded. It now recognizes animal faces in video, making it perfect for pet vloggers or creators who film wildlife. Combined with active electronic stabilization, you'll get smoother shots, though the stabilization does crop the frame slightly. In terms of design, the ZV-1 II is all about convenience. Weighing just 292 grams, it's compact enough to slip into a coat pocket, yet still offers a flip-out touchscreen for easy control. While it's bulkier than a smartphone, it feels far more versatile for serious creators. Despite a few trade-offs, the Sony ZV-1 II is one of the best compact cameras for vloggers. Its wide-angle lens, creative color profiles, and portability make it ideal for anyone who wants to level up their content creation without carrying heavy gear. This is the camera that'll make you want to zoom in just for fun, because the detail is simply insane. Now let's talk about the Sony Alpha A7R V, the ultimate detail monster, and easily the best Sony camera overall. It packs a massive 60-megapixel full-frame BSI sensor paired with a faster processor and Sony's new AI-powered autofocus. This system can recognize humans, animals, birds, and even vehicles, locking onto subjects with unbelievable precision. Whether it's wildlife, portraits, or action, this camera keeps your shots tack sharp. Burst shooting goes up to 10 frames per second, and real-time tracking ensures you won't miss a moment. But Sony didn't just load it with power. They nailed usability too. The brand new dual tilting touchscreen combines the flexibility of a tilt-up display with the versatility of a fully articulating screen, making it great for both photographers and vloggers. And check this out. The 9.44 million dot electronic viewfinder is one of the sharpest and most immersive you'll find on any camera, rivaling even top optical viewfinders. Plus, dual card slots support both CF Express Type A and UHS-2 SD for blazing fast storage. On the video side, you'll get 8K and 4K/60 recording, plus S-Log3 and S-Cinetone for pro-grade color work. But remember, this is a photo-first camera. If you're a serious filmmaker, the Sony A1 might be more your speed. Battery life holds steady at about 530 shots per charge, and Sony added thoughtful touches like sensor protection during lens swaps. With USB-C, full HDMI, and Bluetooth 5.0, connectivity is as future-proof as it gets. In short, the Sony A7R V is a dream machine for high-resolution shooters, delivering stunning image quality, intelligent autofocus, and versatile handling. If you demand detail, this camera is absolutely worth the investment. Next up, the Sony Alpha 9 III, the speed demon. Imagine freezing action so fast that even the blink of an eye feels too slow. That's exactly what the Sony A9 III was built for. It's the camera that turns speed into pure magic. At its core is a 24.6 megapixel full-frame sensor with revolutionary global shutter technology. This eliminates rolling shutter distortion completely, a game changer for sports and wildlife shooters. No more bent golf clubs or distorted race cars, just pure, distortion-free speed. Powered by dual Bionz XR processors and an AI-driven autofocus system, the A9 III can shoot an astonishing 120 frames per second with full autofocus and auto exposure. Pair that with a mind-blowing 1/80,000th of a second shutter speed and the ability to sync flash at any shutter speed, and you've got creative freedom no other camera can match. Sony also nailed the design here. The body is compact yet refined, with their most ergonomic grip to date, and a dual-axis vari-angle touchscreen that makes framing effortless from any angle. The 9.44 million dot electronic viewfinder ensures a crystal-clear, lag-free view, even when you're firing off bursts at lightning speed. And for long shoots with big telephoto lenses, you can expand with an optional vertical grip for better balance and extended battery life. But speed isn't its only weapon. The autofocus system is AI-powered, capable of locking onto humans, animals, birds, vehicles, and even insects. Yes, it can track the wings of a fly mid-air with shocking precision. Features like pre-capture, which records up to 1 second before you press the shutter, guarantee you'll never miss a decisive moment again. On the video front, it delivers oversampled 6K down to 4K 60p with rock-solid in-body stabilization for silky, distortion-free footage. Now, there are some trade-offs. The global shutter slightly limits low-light performance and dynamic range, and Sony's choice of CF Express Type A cards means buffer clearance isn't as fast as Type B. Still, the Sony A9 III sets a new standard for high-speed photography. If your career depends on capturing the split second, the winning goal, the Falcon strike, the moment that only happens once, this is the tool built to do it. And now, it's time to meet the clear winner on our list, the Sony Alpha 7 IV. A true hybrid mirrorless camera, this model strikes a perfect balance between high-end photography and professional-level video, making it an all-rounder that appeals to both enthusiasts and seasoned creators. At the heart of the Alpha 7 IV is a brand new 33-megapixel sensor, which captures sharper, more detailed shots than its predecessor, the popular Alpha 7.3. Powered by the Bionz XR processor, borrowed straight from Sony's flagship A1, performance is lightning fast and highly responsive. Whether you're freezing wildlife in action or shooting cinematic content, the autofocus system is a standout feature, delivering real-time eye autofocus for humans, animals, and even birds across both photos and videos. For videographers, the Alpha 7 IV is a powerhouse. It supports 4K recording at 30p, oversampled from 7K for incredibly crisp clarity. Add to that 10-bit 4:2:2 color sampling, and you get maximum flexibility for color grading and HDR content creation. Features like focus breathing compensation keep your subject sharp, while the S Cinetone color profile ensures cinematic quality skin tones and natural film-like colors right out of the camera. In terms of usability, the Alpha 7 IV doesn't disappoint. A vari-angle touchscreen makes it ideal for vloggers and solo creators, while the upgraded 3.69 million dot electronic viewfinder provides a crystal-clear preview of your shots. The redesigned menu system is more intuitive, making navigation much smoother than before. Battery life is another strong point, giving you up to 520 shots per charge, often more in real-world use. Plus, the addition of CF Express Type-A card support ensures faster data transfer speeds than traditional SD cards, making it ideal for high-resolution stills and 4K video recording. With its impressive mix of photography excellence and video mastery, the Sony Alpha 7 IV stands as the ultimate hybrid choice for creators who want one camera that does it all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check our links. They'll hook you up with the best deals on every product we mention.